What's going on, y'all? Madman and Cop the Kid in the building. We just wanted to show y'all the first black house. It ain't nothing like the White House. It may look like it, may be built like it, but it ain't nothing like the Black House. It's the Legacy Center, the first one. Check it out, y'all.
Y'all come on, man. Let's give you a tour.
I can't believe it. I'm so excited because Boucher came all the way from California to Atlanta to surprise me while we were on tour with the Bitcoin.
What's up, everybody? UNG radio station. We're in the building. I'm with the one and only Johnny Green. You know what I mean? Book writer, author, independent entrepreneur. We're doing a digital financial revolution tour right here at the Big House or Black House, right here in Atlanta, GA with Najee Roberts. Y'all check us out. You know what I'm saying, Ms. May?
Yes. I got a smile on my face.
What's up, Ms. Green?
Hello, Boucher. I can't believe that you came all the way from California to surprise me. My heart is still fluttering.
Come on now, let's get hype.
Hey! Woo! They are here! All right, ATL! All right. The queen is here. The queen is here. We're so excited. We cannot wait to hear from Ms. Naja and Dimitri. They are about to drop nuggets, okay? So guys, let's get into it. You are in Atlanta. Welcome to the ATL.
You guys are bankers, right? So if all of you are competing for rates on savings accounts and loans and things of that nature, it gets really tough, right? Because if you're giving more of a percentage rate return on a savings account or checking account, more people are going to come to you, right?
Cameron, UNG Radio, we got it in. Now we're in Atlanta.
We got it in.